The last 20 years have come and gone in the blink of an eye, and I can't remember half of it. So to keep a record of all the bird brain ideas I come up with and crazy shit that's to come in the next 20 years, provided I make it that far, this is D-Vlog. I got started a little bit late today. Hit the grocery store. I'm making breakfast right now. And this is how I do it.
Yeah, every day that's you and me. All day that's us, boo. Came through with that new thing. See, I don't know why I trust you. Crazy now, I'm just too on. Maybe now I'm just too gone. Maybe now I'm just looking for that same vibe that you on. Cause I'm out here with my boys. Going crazy in this bitch. Overseas, getting Benz. No Mercedes in this bitch. We made the album 9 months. Had a baby in this bitch. I'm with your babe on the run. Like I'm Jay-Z in this bitch. I don't smoke a lot, but I get green. But ball out, no SBs. I caught you out, you got serving that beat stop. No step team. I came through and that's real shit. No, Novocaine, but I feel this. Feeling kid when I feel banks. I still be spitting that will. If I shut it down, we do that. Hell yeah, we knew that. Yo, girl, give me them crazy eyes. Oranges that you black cold out, so I think about it. Stress me out, so I drink about it. They talk a lot, but it's all good, so it's too real. Don't think about it. She took me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face. She can see through my soul. I said, don't think about it. I said, don't think about it. She took me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face. She can see through my soul. I said, don't think about it. I said, don't think about it. Came up as a church boy with my dukes on weekends. Waking up at like 6, man, you don't get paid if you sleep in. Man, you don't know where I come from. You don't know what I've been through. Realize I don't say shit about all the bread that I sent you. You getting mad, I'm sitting back, I'm fucked up, I'm getting trash. Gotta go watch 2 gold chains and I go real like Trinity.
My breakfast was good. I like my tap water. But
I want bottled water. I wouldn't make my soup with that.
shut up. Oh man. So my fucking tub will not drain. I poured Drano down there. That's not working. Went to the office and I got their snake. So I'm gonna try to snake it out. This better work because this is bullshit. Well, that didn't work. Now my fucking tub's a mess. I need a goddamn shower. It's Friday and they said they can't come until Monday. Why me? What the fuck, man? I don't even know what to do right now. Maybe take a shower at my neighbor's house, I guess. Gotta get ready to talk to my daughter soon. It's 4 o'clock. I talked to her from 5 to 7. D-Vlog, bitches!
What are you gonna pick? What do you think which one to pick?
I was gonna pick milk.
I pick coffee.
Yeah?
Close your eyes.
Okay.
Which one are you gonna pick?
I'm gonna go with, headphones.
Oh, you have to get all 3 of them right. Close
Okay.
your eyes.
Okay, they're closed.
Like that one.
Okay, open them. I can't see that far. Oh, I like the dolphins.
Hey. But you have... You got all the same as me.
Oh, look at that. Although some dolphins are mean, like if you go out on like when you go out to the ocean, sometimes.
Close your eyes.
Okay.
Oh.
Do I open them now?
Yeah. Oh, you picked wait. I accidentally picked avocado.
I wanted to pick avocado. I like avocados. I think they're fantastic.
Close your eyes. You already picked?
I didn't. See, I'm telling you, this portal is like jacked up.
Close your eyes.
Okay, I'm closing them.
Excuse me.
stinky.
Okay. Keep them closed.
Okay, close.
Oh, I like these, obviously.
Oh. Everybody got notices on their door today from the office. I gotta get the fuck out of this place. Complete and total fucking bullshit, dude. Let me read this fucking letter. This letter is to inform all residents that the entrance, passage halls, corridors, stairways, and common areas shall not be obstructed by the resident or his or her guests. Corridors shall further be kept clean of all furniture items. Furniture other than 1 or 2 patio chairs must be removed. All tables, potted plants must be removed from the areas, windowsills, including hanging plants or any other decoration. We ask that all items that are not deemed lawn-approved items be removed. Well, you just said to remove fucking everything. What is fucking lawn-approved? Fucking, it's crazy. All trash, cigarette butts, cups, plates, alcoholic containers, tools, household cleaning items, children's toys, pet items, bikes, shoes, containers are not to be left outside for any reason. Laundry rooms are not storage rooms. If you have items in there, please remove them. You have 7 days from this date from the notice to comply with all requests for removal. If you do not comply within the allotted time, the items will be removed and discarded by maintenance. The arbors at Bel Air management and staff are concerned that the clutter in and around the building is a fire hazard and ask that you assist us in trying not to only make it more safe, but also more attractive to your current and future neighbors. Thank you for your cooperation in the matter. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact the office. Thank you. How the fuck are hanging plants a fire hazard? What if somebody rides their bike to your house? You know, you got kids and kids' friends want to come over, what are you supposed to do? Bring all the bikes in your fucking living room? I mean, granted, my living room's kind of big. I can fit bikes there, but what about everybody else? You know? What if you put your shoes out by the door before you come in with them dirty? You know what I mean? I have my bike outside all fucking day because I'm coming and going. They've done this like 3 times. They made everybody get rid of their grills. You know, I had a big dual fucking nice grill that I cooked out on all the time. These motherfuckers, you know, gotta get rid of it. It's a fire hazard. They use that fucking excuse for everything. Last time they tried to say that it was the fire marshal that deemed that necessary. They're so full of shit. Seems like everybody in the motherfucking world today, they just want to tell everybody else what the fuck to do. And I'm talking motherfucking everyone. No, I'm the boss. You gotta do this, and this. You know, they love telling people what to do. Unbelievable. I am absolutely starving. And I really like chicken noodles. I'm gonna cut up some chicken and I'm gonna make some soup with some noodles. I like chicken and noodles. I just start cooking the chicken and then I throw all this teriyaki shit in the middle. I've got noodles and vegetables and I got chicken and bouillon. That works. Fuck you. Just gotta stir it. Like, there's way better ways to make chicken noodle soup, but like, if you're just by yourself, chop the chicken up and mix the mix in.